Hi everyone! Today we're making stewed chicken with vegetables. A healthy, delicious, and very easy dish to prepare. First, pour a little oil into a large pot. Cut the chicken into medium-sized pieces and place them inside. Add the peeled potatoes cut in half. Then slice one onion into rings and add it on top. Season with salt and spices. Next, slice the bell pepper and add it to the pot. Then add the sliced zucchini and eggplant. For a little extra heat and flavor, add 2 hot peppers. Finally, cut the cabbage into large pieces and place it on top. Season again with a little salt and spices. Mix tomato paste with water and pour it over everything. Cover with cabbage leaves and place a lid on the pot. Cook for 1 hour over medium heat. And that's it. Serve and enjoy. This stewed chicken with vegetables is simple, healthy, and full of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.